A catchy name and sleek interface do not equal financial safety. BITZAY.com presents itself as an online trading and investment platform, potentially offering crypto, Forex, or CFD-related services. The website uses modern design elements and confident marketing language, promoting access to digital assets and global markets. It attempts to position itself as an innovative financial solution for investors seeking growth. However, in the brokerage industry, presentation means nothing without verified regulation and transparent legal accountability. The platform operates under the domain bitzay.com and appears to function as a broker or investment intermediary. Regulation is not clearly confirmed through independently verifiable public records. No prominently displayed and verifiable license number linked to a recognized financial regulator is transparently confirmed. In financial markets, regulation is not optional. It is the primary safeguard protecting investors from fraud, abuse, and operational misconduct. Verification must rely exclusively on official regulatory databases. Searches conducted through the Financial Conduct Authority register at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission database at scisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission database at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission database at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with bitzay.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. This strongly suggests the platform may be operating as an unlicensed broker. An unlicensed broker is not required to segregate client funds, maintain minimum capital reserves, or participate in investor compensation schemes. If a dispute arises, clients typically have no access to a regulator or financial ombudsman. In such structures, withdrawal issues are common in investment scam cases because there is no supervisory authority to enforce fair practices. The absence of confirmed regulation significantly increases the operational risk. If bitzay.com offers contracts for difference or other leveraged trading instruments, the risk escalates further. CFDs are speculative derivatives that allow traders to profit from price movements without owning the underlying asset. Leverage multiplies both potential profits and potential losses. In regulated jurisdictions, leverage is limited to protect retail investors. When an unlicensed broker provides high leverage, there is no independent oversight ensuring proper risk disclosure or fair execution. In many CFD models, the broker acts as the counterparty to client trades, creating a structural conflict of interest. Without supervision, that conflict remains unchecked. Legal transparency is another critical issue. A legitimate broker discloses its full legal entity name, corporate registration number, verified office address, governing jurisdiction, and comprehensive client agreements. If bitzay.com does not provide independently verifiable corporate documentation, this lack of clarity is a major red flag. Investors should never rely solely on claims made on a company's own website. From a technical standpoint, domain characteristics can provide additional context. Platforms operating under relatively new domains, with hidden ownership information and limited corporate footprint, often resemble serial fraud patterns. While privacy protection is not illegal, financial intermediaries managing client funds are expected to operate with maximum transparency. Limited operating history combined with absence of confirmed licensing increases the overall risk profile. Several warning indicators frequently associated with fraudulent broker operations may apply. Absence of confirmed regulatory license, absence of recognized regulator supervision, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection mechanisms, elevated risk of capital loss due to leveraged trading, and potential withdrawal issues. When these elements appear together, the platform cannot be considered low risk. To avoid similar scams, investors should follow practical and disciplined steps. Always verify a broker's license directly through official regulatory databases such as the FCA, SciSec, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA. Never trust certificates or badges displayed on a website unless they are independently confirmed. Understand that CFD trading and high leverage are inherently high risk and should only be conducted with strictly regulated brokers. Avoid platforms that promise guaranteed profits or use aggressive pressure tactics. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee returns. Finally, treat vague legal disclosures, generic templates, and unclear ownership structures as serious warning signals. In conclusion, BITZAY.com cannot be considered a verified and clearly regulated broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing combined with leveraged trading features and limited transparency creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is protection. Without regulation, the investor stands alone. No regulation, no verified protection, no financial safety.